Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and this is the first video in a short series that's going to be comparing this Mark 5 GTI to this Mark 5 Rabbit. So this video is going to be comparing the interiors of the cars and going over everything that's different and the different options that these cars have. Since these cars are both built on the same platform, the interiors are quite similar. As you'll see, both cars have very nice interiors, but the GTI's is just slightly more sporty and slightly more luxurious. One of the big differences between the two cars is in the steering wheel. The Rabbit's wheel isn't leather wrapped with exaggerated bolstering for your hands, whereas the GTI's is. Also, the handbrake lever is leather wrapped in the GTI and is plastic in the Rabbit. The gauges in each of the cars are also just slightly different, but the bigger difference noticed in the dash is the display. The Rabbit's is simple yet effective, where the GTI has a much more in-depth display with a compass and additional driver-selected options, including gas mileage and other trip data. The GTI's display and radio could also be operated from steering wheel controls, which is very nice to be able to do. In terms of center console, the Rabbit is very basic with no closing compartment. The GTI, on the other hand, has slightly more storage in the center console and actually could be air conditioned to keep drinks cool, which is a pretty neat thing. Additionally, it has a built-in adjustable armrest and rear AC, which the Rabbit just doesn't have. Door trim between the cars is actually the same, even though the GTI has a little bit of additional aluminum trim on the door sill and also offers aluminum pedal faces. Although similar in shape, the seats are also different and they're one of the bigger differences. So the GTI seats are offered in plaid or leather and have slightly larger bolsters and built-in adjustable lumbar support. Finally, a few more small differences is that the GTI offers a rear pass-through and rear cup holders, which the Rabbit just doesn't. So guys, those are the differences between the GTI interior and the Rabbit interior. So as you saw, they're pretty similar, but there are some features that set them apart. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll have a video comparing the exteriors of these cars and also have some reviews on these cars. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you stick around for the next one and subscribe for more.